where you want me, now I'm right here. Waiting for your call, and now I'm right here. You got me where you want me, now I'm right here.
Irrelevant, boring, old, yesterday's news, out the way, excuse me, we're coming in. So either going to go, or, and we're going to go, shoo. So, choo, barmy army, choo, barmy army. I'm absolutely unbelievable. You just got to listen to me. You got to look into my eyes and you got to hear and feel the passion that I will deliver for you.
Gather round, let's sort the buyers from the spies, the needy from the greedy, and those who trust me from those who don't.
Oh, let's just hold on. No, I'm not having this. I'm not having this.
What's
No. How you doing, alright? Yeah. Good? Yeah. I know. Yeah, mate, he's a bit of a helmet, to be honest with you, but listen, he ain't about... absolute 1,000,000% bullshit. Bullshit.
Don Hernione.
When you start hearing people like that say things like that, that gives me a fucking hard on. I love it. In fact, it makes me really horny. Please don't waste my fucking time. I'm really fucking busy, you know? So, fucking just, I'm busy. No time for time wasters.